People say IT means coding. People say IT means easy money. People also started talking recently IT is gonna have no future because of AI. I've been working in IT close to a decade now, and trust me, many people have misunderstandings about IT and the AI trend. Let us talk about what exactly is IT and BT, how IT really operates, and who can enter IT, and if you're a fresher, a bit of salary range that is offered to you. If you're already aware about IT, I encourage you to go ahead and skip. However, if you want to ensure that your understanding is also on the right track, I would definitely recommend you continue watching this video. This is Amruth. Welcome to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Let's get started without any further ado. IT, information technology, is nothing but building, running, and maintaining the technology. It is as simple as that. So, what is BT? Business technology, utilizing the technology built and make the business out of it. They build, of course, to make money, to enhance the efficiency of whatever it is, and then to ensure that they scale their business. That's why IT and business are always connected. Without any exaggeration or using jargons, let's get to understand what exactly is IT's role in real life. Let's consider a food delivery app. So you order the food and within some time the food will be in front of your door so you can enjoy your meal. But how that is in operation? So somebody might have built the app, somebody might have tested and fixed the issue, somebody might have looked after the server so that you get a connectivity to the internet and access that particular application. Somebody might have managed the service, somebody might have pitched the business idea so that it is publicized and out there in the public and the business started running, and somebody might have started promoting it, and you might have come across such promotions and you have had that application in your local and started ordering food. In a nutshell, IT is not just coding. Let us understand what happens if something goes wrong. Immediately you call the customer support and they will raise a ticket on your behalf. As soon as the ticket is raised, somebody will be there to test where and what has been broken. As soon as they test it and identify, somebody needs to be there to address that particular issue and resolve it as soon as possible. That is when the developer comes to provide the fixes. And once all these fixes are done, somebody needs to approve, yes, this is the right fix for the issue that occurred, and the issue is resolved. There will be people who are looking after the service. There will be a people who are looking after the data that is coming in. There will be a people who takes care of entire infrastructure management, and there will be a leadership team, there will be a management team. Again, IT is not just coding. IT has many different roles as per the experience, and this is how IT collectively exists in this ecosystem. So, what are the different areas that you can be a part of in IT? As we were discussing, development, where it needs to be coded and build a logic, then quality or testing, where you ensure the built product is exactly matching the expected functionality. Then you will have a DevOps who will ensure that the built and tested code is deployed into some servers. Then you will have cloud engineer to ensure that the connectivity is established and ensure that that is out there in the public. And you will have a marketing team, you will have a manager who will manage this entire end-to-end process, you will have product owner who understand the functionality end-to-end, and he will help you out, and you will have leadership team who ensures that all these things are brought together and then business requirement is met. So you don't need to be a coding expert. You can also get into IT with many different opportunities. Who can enter IT is the question commonly asked. Many people have asked, I've done BBA, I've done BSc, I've done MCA, I've done MCOM. Can I get into an IT? Of course, yes, preference will be given to the engineering students, majorly on computer science. But nowadays, we see all branches of engineering graduates have entered into IT. What made them to enter into IT when their core is not computer science? It is nothing but the skills that they need in the companies to ensure that you start working towards it. If you are from a CS background, if you are from a non-CS background, or if you're from a non-engineering background, it doesn't matter at all. All that matters is if you have sufficient problem solving skills, if you have sufficient characteristics that is essential to be in that particular role, definitely you're going to be hired. Degree always helps and it is essential, but what matters the most to get you a job is the skills that you have and the mindset that you develop. So, what qualifications you should have? Does my rank in my graduation help? Company does not ask whether you are brilliant or not. What does company need? Company need to know that whether you are able to solve a given problem, whether it is coding or not related to coding. Company need to know whether you are able to learn from what is required. Company need to know whether you will adapt yourself to the need of that particular business requirement, be it be enhancing your skill or be it be learning new process altogether. Company looks for the candidates who show the ability to adapt and learn and deliver the expected results than a rank holding student. I'm not denying the fact that the rank holding student will not get a job, but these are the essential skills which are mainly assessed during your interview, especially in freshers, because the only thing that they look forward is these things. Rest all comes with experience. Let's be brutally honest. We all start at mediocre level. We do not start at luxury salaries. Not everybody gets picked from the prestigious companies, gets the offer of hefty package. That happens, but not with everybody. We all start with mediocre. If we want to consider ourselves to get a job, I think we should see what is in reality and most commonly happening and we should adapt to it. We should start small, then slowly, gradually increase our pay, and then we will finally reach where we want. But everything needs time, not from the day one, but eventually in the upcoming days. So, focus on role rather than focusing on the salary. Focus on skill set rather than focusing on the ranking. Focus on what you are getting from the company that is hiring you rather than targeting for a company which is way far away from the reach at this point in time as a fresher. In summary, if we recap, we discussed about what is IT and BT, what actually people do in IT, who can enter in IT, and what are the different salaries that you can actually expect in reality. With all these being said, I hope that I have shared basic information that is essential for one to start in the IT industry. Maybe you have not gotten an exact amount that you're looking for as a salary, but definitely the salary varies company to company. It is a growth based career, not an instant success providing career. Keep your skills relevant to the current industry trend, and definitely you will be hired, and slowly you will meet your dreams at some point in time of your career. In the upcoming series, we'll start addressing what are the different roles available, what kind of job opportunities are there, what kind of methods that I can use to apply for a job as a fresher, and then we will slowly proceed with the different videos enriching your knowledge towards the preparation and getting a job. What are the different challenges that you encounter as a fresher? How do you address it? And many different things are planned. I request you to stay tuned and ensure you make the maximum out of it. And also, I request you to let me know what is essential for you and what is exactly that you are looking from me so that I can always add those information in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and I would love to see you soon in the next video. Until then, see you soon.